Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Apple Incorporated step by step clearly. To invest in Apple Incorporated, start by educating yourself about the company. Research Apple's business model, financial performance, and market position. Find a reputable online brokerage platform that allows stock trading. Create an account on your chosen brokerage platform by providing necessary personal information. Verify your identity by submitting required documentation as per the platform's guidelines. Fund your brokerage account via bank transfer, debit, or credit card, depending on your preferences. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search bar and enter Apple, the ticker symbol for Apple Inc. Review the current stock price and historical performance charts provided on the platform. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. For a market order, confirm your purchase at the current market price. For a limit order, set a specific price at which you want to buy the shares. Review all details of your order to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finalize your order by clicking the confirmation button. After the purchase, monitor your investment regularly through your brokerage account. Stay updated on Apple's performance, company news, and overall market conditions. Consider setting specific investment goals to guide future actions related to your Apple investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.